Thailand is one of those rare destinations that truly captures the heart of every traveler. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the most enchanting parts of Asia without overspending, this country offers that and more. Resting along the southwestern region of the continent, Thailand blends spiritual traditions, natural wonders, and vibrant culture into an experience that feels both adventurous and comforting. From misty mountains wrapped in mythology to beaches that look like paintings, the journey here is unforgettable. So grab your camera, settle in, and let's explore 10 mesmerizing places you absolutely can't miss in Thailand. And before we begin, make sure to subscribe and activate notifications so you can join us on every new trip around the world. 1. Bangkok. Bangkok is a city where ancient heritage and modern ambition collide in the most fascinating way. Giant skyscrapers rise beside delicate Buddhist temples, and the energy of the capital never seems to fade. You'll find grand royal palaces, serene spiritual sites, and hidden corners where tradition is still very much alive. One place you must see is Wat Arun, a towering temple decorated with ornate details that shimmer beautifully under the sunlight. But Bangkok's charm doesn't stop at its sacred sites. Khao San Road is a sensory adventure of sizzling street food, handcrafted souvenirs, bright lights, and aromas that tempt you from every direction. For something truly unique, visit Damnoen's Saduak Floating Market. Built across a network of canals, this place lets you shop from boats as vendors glide past selling fruit, snacks, and local goods. And of course, the experience wouldn't be complete without hopping into a tuk-tuk, those iconic three-wheeled taxis that weave through the busy streets, giving you a front-row seat to the city's lively heartbeat. 2. Ayutthaya. If you want to step into Thailand's past, Ayutthaya is the perfect destination. Once the flourishing capital of the Kingdom of Siam, this UNESCO World Heritage City is filled with ancient temples, towering relics, and stone ruins that tell stories hundreds of years old. Highlights include Bang Pan Palace, the peaceful grounds of Wat Lokaya Sutha, the sacred Wat Frasi Samphit, and the remarkable Wat Chewat Thanaram, where long rows of Buddha statues sit silently beneath the sun. After exploring these incredible sights, unwind at the Ayutthaya Floating Market. Here, you can enjoy traditional dishes, shop for handmade crafts, and experience what everyday life once looked like in this historic region. 3. Phuket. Phuket is everything you imagine a tropical paradise should be. Covered in lush forests, lively wildlife, hidden lagoons, and cascading waterfalls, the island offers endless activities whether you want adventure or relaxation. Guided tours can take you deep into the island's interior, where you'll discover secluded swimming spots, scenic viewpoints, and peaceful camping areas surrounded by nature. One of the most meaningful places to visit is Elephant Hills Reserve. Home to a small group of rescued elephants, the sanctuary allows visitors to observe and interact with these gentle giants responsibly. You'll learn about their behavior, their history, and the efforts being made to protect this endangered species. 4. Sand Kamphring Hot Springs. Located near Chiang Mai, the Sand Kamphring Hot Springs are famous for their therapeutic mineral waters and naturally formed geysers. These springs bubble up from volcanic energy beneath the earth, creating warm pools rich in sulfur that soothe tired muscles and calm the mind. Some of the waters reach boiling temperatures, while others are gentle enough for a long, relaxing bath. A fun tradition here is cooking eggs directly in the hottest pools, something that surprises many travelers, but often becomes a memorable part of the visit. 5. Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is often called the Rose of the North because of its beauty, cultural richness, and welcoming atmosphere. The city blends centuries-old traditions with modern creativity. You'll see ancient temples standing proudly beside trendy cafes, luxury hotels, and artisan markets. But Chiang Mai is more than its sacred architecture. Visitors can enjoy live cultural shows, taste northern Thai dishes, visit elephant sanctuaries, join outdoor adventures, and explore sweeping natural landscapes. A must-see for history lovers is Phu Vieng National Park, where real dinosaur fossils give a glimpse into prehistoric Thailand. 6. Koh Samui. Koh Samui, the largest inhabited island in the Gulf of Thailand, is famous for its mesmerizing beaches and laid-back island lifestyle. Chaweng Beach, located near the island's center, offers powdery white sand, clear turquoise water, and everything from backpacker lodges to luxury 5-star resorts. Another spot you shouldn't miss is Bo Phut Beach. Even though its water isn't the bluest on the island, it attracts plenty of travelers thanks to its incredible food scene and charming beachside restaurants. And when you're ready to unwind, traditional Thai massage salons are everywhere, ready to ease your muscles and refresh your spirit. 7. Erawan National Park. Named after a mythical three-headed elephant from Hindu legends, Erawan National Park is home to one of Thailand's most stunning natural wonders, the seven-tiered Erawan waterfalls. Each level features sparkling blue pools surrounded by thick jungle, making the entire area feel like a hidden paradise. Although the falls are popular, the space is wide enough for visitors to swim and enjoy the refreshing water without feeling crowded. The park also offers overnight stays in cabins, bungalows, or tents, allowing you to wake up surrounded by untouched nature. 8. Similan Islands. The Similan Islands form a protected national marine park made up of 9 islands. 6 are open to visitors, while the other 3 serve as safe nesting areas for sea turtles. Vast coral reefs surround the islands, acting as natural barriers and helping to preserve the underwater ecosystem. Widely considered one of the best diving and snorkeling destinations in the world, the Similan Islands boast crystal-clear waters and vibrant marine life. You can stay overnight only on Koh Myong and Koh Similan. Koh Similan is especially famous for its breathtaking beaches, while Koh Myong attracts divers from around the globe. If you come here, plan to stay longer than a day to fully appreciate the experience. 9. Sukhothai Historical Park. Sukhothai is a must-visit for travelers eager to connect with Thailand's ancient roots. Recognized by UNESCO, this historical park preserves the ruins of the first Siamese kingdom. Many structures still hold the elegance and artistry they once displayed centuries ago. One unforgettable landmark is Wat Trapong Thong, a serene temple surrounded by lotus-filled ponds. Sukhothai is also the site of the Loy Krathong Festival, a magical celebration known around the world as the Festival of Light, where thousands of glowing lanterns create an atmosphere unlike anything else. 10. Khao Yai National Park. Khao Yai, one of Thailand's oldest and most diverse national parks, is a nature lover's dream. Recognized by UNESCO, the park is home to waterfalls, wildlife, dense forests, and scenic trails perfect for exploring. Overnight stays are available in designated bungalows or tents, giving you the chance to fall asleep under a clear, star-filled sky. The park is well-maintained and offers food stalls, small shops, and cafes, ensuring that your adventure is both comfortable and memorable. Thailand brings together everything a traveler could hope for: serene beaches, sacred temples, royal history, lush forests, and a capital city filled with life. If you enjoyed the journey, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe for more inspiring destinations.